If you look at the trend in healthcare spend, it's huge, and the ability to spend is not endless. So manufacturing has a huge role to play to make medicines accessible and to bring them in line with what countries can afford for patient treatment.
We have some challenges in the UK that we've been talking about and we'll be talking about over the next couple of days in terms of manufacturing and making the UK one of the leads and one of the places that we want people to invest in manufacturing biologics and therapeutics.
Challenges we've had around the funding to support it and then the supply chain piece, because it's new into the market and there isn't yet the equipment available at the scale that we need. But we're in conversations with a lot of the manufacturing providers and they're now working on the small scale equipment that we need for these new modalities.
The ability to recruit the right skills for where the industry is going. I think there's going to be a lot of changes in the next 10 to 20 years around digitalization, but also around how we adapt to all those new trends, diversity, inclusion, sustainability. So I think one of the big challenge for an opportunity, I suppose, for companies is to adapt to that and keep being very attractive for those new talents.
How do we have that route through to this is a great career because it's intellectually rewarding, because it is. Yeah, we love doing science because it's interesting. It's big problems that you can actually solve. Yeah, the idea of solving a problem, everybody, if you speak to an undergraduate, understands that can be a fulfilling career. We have to find ways to pay our scientists better, I think. And we have to find ways to explain that, yeah, this is a career that then is multifaceted, that you can start in the lab, but you don't end up in the lab forever, and that there's a great career progression.
One of the big examples of that is the new cell and gene therapies. So new cell therapies are very complex to manufacture. And it's not as simple as scaling up. You need to be able to manufacture those kinds of therapies for a wide number of people, hundreds of thousands of people. Artificial learning, machine learning is going to become hugely valuable in advancing those kinds of manufacturing processes.